This is being hosted by Rentjdm. Where you can rent a JDM car. And they're mostly, I think, right-hand drive, yeah. Of course, right-hand drive, because it is JDM. There's a place where the party's going on. All the food and stuff is here. Y'all heard the man, this will be available for rent soon. We had the little night get together at Rentjdm. So, a little bonus clip. This is actually still day 2 of Supers in Vegas. Right next to the new, I think that Raiders stadium. Hopefully you guys are able to see. I don't have any light. It's kind of really dark, so. But there's going to be some cool cars here in a minute. So we'll get some good videos for you guys. Kind of like a little bonus video of day 2. And then, like I said, day 3 is going to be real fun. But let's get you some videos here. That goes that Super, boys. I wonder if you guys can guess what those cars are at nighttime.
This was not there.
Another MK3 Supra. Got a lineup of cars here. You guys should be able to see just a little better because got a little lighting out here. If I miss this, here's one right here in front of us. Zoom out. On the below, purple. Here comes the MK5 right here. There's another MK4 with another underglow. Fast and Furious edition. Another one right here. MK5. And another MK4. Dude, I need help, bro. I've seen so many Supras, it's just confusing me.
All-wheel drive. Not race that shit. Do not race that shit from a dig.
Because everybody's here vlogging as usual. It's not. Y'all look at that beauty right there. This is dreams of a broke man. I hope it turns out good on the video. Rentjdm. Yeah, this is being hosted by Rentjdm. Where you can rent a JDM car. And they're mostly, I think, right-hand drive, yeah. Of course, right-hand drive, because it is JDM. There's a place where the party's going on. All the food and stuff is here. Y'all heard the man, this will be available for rent soon. all of them are available for rent soon. It's a little crowded in here. Don't worry, everybody's following the rules. So guys, with that, me and the guys are gonna enjoy real quick, walk around, I'll take some photos. You guys can also check that out on Insta. This is just a little side video for you guys. If you guys need a car for rent, you know where to go. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Hit that like, subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys for watching and supporting. You guys take care. Arvin, what up? Arvin, what do you got to say? You said something. All right, peace. Alright guys, we're here at Rentjdm and it's really fun. There's some night events. This is still day 2 of Vegas and Super. Tomorrow is Dino Day, so but yeah, we're just enjoying a little bit. Check out some of the cars that are here that are for rent. A lot of people showed up. Crowded in here.
Yeah, I like that.
Got a DJ in the house.
That one right there.
Is there any race?
I don't know what that is, but that's bad.